G'day, I'm Steve. I'm here at the Melbourne Home Show in front of our Yale stand, and I've got some really smart home products to show you. This is a new Yale Secure Connect alarm kit, which is also your home automation system. What we have here is you've got your normal standard kit, which is made up of your strobe and alarm. It's made up of your main controller, which is your hub. It's made up of a camera PIR, a standard PIR, and you've got your wall keypad to turn on and off your alarm system. We've also got door and window connectors. With this particular alarm kit, it also comes with the power point, so you can control all your lights and anything that you plug in at home to turn on and off from a remote position. Some of the things that we have are the light, as you can see here. The lamp can turn on and off via the app on your phone, and you can control anything that plugs in with this particular device. The other thing with this particular smart home kit as well, you can control your locks. The locks can be opened remotely from anywhere in the world, providing you've got a internet connection. It has automatic openings via the app. Basically, all you do is you press the lock button there, and within about 3 or 4 seconds you have a delay, your lock locks and unlocks. The easy way to then lock that lock after that is purely by touching the face of the lock, and it relocks itself. Also, this lock offers key code entry as well, so you can have your own user codes to open the lock. You can give anyone a PIN code and give them a time frame to actually enter the lock as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that tour of our stand here at the Melbourne Home Show.